Good morning, dear. Now we have completed chapter 9 in your civics book, A Search in the Market. And in this chapter, dear, we have discussed how to a search come in the market by passing through different process from the different people like a farmer, traders, merchant, viewers, wholesaler, city distributor, shop owner, and last to the consumer. In this chapter, chapter 10, struggle for equality. What are the different chapters we have taught in your book regarding the equality, regarding the struggle? Will summary of the all topic in this chapter will recall all different characters who play important role for struggle. For in this chapter we will discuss here a story regarding the Tawa Matsya Sangh, Tawa name of river, Matsya matlab fish and Sangh means the organization. In the short form we can say TMS, Tawa Matsya Sangh. So in this we will discuss how the different people who are living in such catchment area, how do they start their struggle against equality or for equality. So in this chapter we call the different character. So there some character may be missing that were not taught by me due to some chapter are deleted due to the COVID-19. But I will give the introduction of different character which you are taught in this session. First character was Kanta, chapter 1. In this day we have discussed the Kanta character. She is servant, work at Gensai home, and during the voting what she feel कि all citizen, no matter he or she may be rich or poor, stand in one queue during election to use their voting power, but in other field, why different people are using the different facilities. Where equality gone, when her daughter is suffering from fever and she has no enough money for her treatment and she visit government hospital, and those people who are standing in one queue during election, they are using the best facilities which are provided by private healthcare facilities. So why such discrimination is going on in our country due to the lack of resources? Why she is unable to take the good treatment, better treatment for her daughter? In this chapter, Kanta was domestic servant and she struggled all life. And out of the she described the discrimination which is going on in our society on the basis of rich and poor. Another character is Ansari in chapter 1 equality. In this, out of the discrimination held with the some discrimination on the basis of caste, some discrimination on the basis of birthplace, some discrimination on the basis of gender, some discrimination on the basis of economical background, some discrimination on the basis of religion also. So this was the example of religion based discrimination when Ansari want to take a house on rent, or due to his religion no one ready to provide house on rent for the Ansari, and different type of excuse given by different owner one owner give the excuse, we are not use, like suppose one excuse given by a owner, we are vegetarian and we can't give the house for the non-vegetarian. But at the same time, what Ansari has observed, there was the smell coming from the compartment of non-vegetarian. He know very well why this discrimination is going on due to the each religion only. So dear, another one example we have seen, discrimination on the basis of religion. Another one example, Om Prakash Valmiki, in chapter 1, we have seen that was related to the caste-based discrimination in our society. Castes are divided into 4 categories. According to the Vedas, Varna system, at the top are Brahmins, Latons, Kshatriya, Sudras, and untouchable farmer, peasants, or Vaishyas. So in this year, out of the discrimination held with the Om Prakash Valmiki, one day what happens is teacher given the punishment to the Om Prakash Valmiki to sweep the whole football ground. He was a small kid and it is not possible for him to sweep all football ground. पूरे फुटबॉल ग्राउंड को साफ करना एक छोटे बच्चे के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं था. Then when there was the pain on their backbone and started the sweep all football ground, and during that time what happens, his father passes from near the football ground, and when he observed his children is sweeping the ground, so later on dear, father given the warning to the teacher also, and this discrimination happened due to the caste only. Our government has made the laws, untouchability as banned by the government here, but after that there are lot of such practices going on inside our nation. अभी भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पूरी तरह से बंद नहीं हुआ है. Another one example is Melanie. She was domestic servant and no such respect given inside the society. And this chapter we have deleted. That example is considered with the growing up boys and girls, and how to discrimination happened with the domestic workers. They are not allowed inside the home. They can wear the slippers during the cold, during the winter. She work without slipper, and her daughter, they are getting only one or two chapati. So this type of discrimination held in our society. Another example is Swapna. Latest example we have discussed is shirt in the market. How the exploitation happens with Swapna, and trader not given the enough money or whatever price going on inside market for her cotton crop. So these are the example we have discussed regarding the Swapna also, and why she is bounded to sell their cotton to only traders, because she has taken the loan from the traders, and on what promise she has taken the loan, after harvesting she will sell her crop to the particular trader only there. And high interest rate given by the Swapna. So these are the lot of example in our society, discrimination held with the farmers. They are not getting what are their real values of their product. उनके प्रोडक्ट की उनकी जो कॉस्ट होती है उतनी उनको नहीं मिलती है. तो दिस आर द अनदर वन एग्जाम्पल. लास्ट एग्जाम्पल, रोजा पार्क, also consider with the chapter 1 equality. And discrimination is not going on inside our nation only. It also held in other part of world also. और भी दूसरी जगह ऐसा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. और इन यूएसए अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन लेडी नेटिव फ्रॉम अफ्रीका से थे एंड लिविंग इन अमेरिका, एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्किन कलर, वाइट एंड ब्लैक सिटीजन, and they were not allowed to sit inside the buses, or maybe if they are sitting inside the buses, so when they see any white man, so what is their first responsibility, their duties to hand over their seat to the white person, means the USA citizen. It means USA citizen. But one day 1955, what happens? She refused the seat. She not given the seat to the white man, and she started the civil rights movement in 1964 in America. She struggled for all society. Equal rights should be given in America, and you know America is superpower and developed nation. After that, such discrimination is going on. So these are the example we have discussed in your NCERT book here regarding the discrimination, and in this chapter we will recall this discrimination, different example of discrimination, and after that we will start the Tawama session. So today I am giving introduction of this chapter, and it is interesting chapter. In your life it may be possible you may be part of this discrimination also in society. हो सकता है कभी न कभी आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हुआ हो, तो यू मे बी से योर एग्जाम्पल टू मी कि when you face the such problem in society, but on the basis of such cases we can't criticize all communities. अगर एक किसी बंदे के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है तो हम ये नहीं कर सकते कि पूरी सोसाइटी गलत है. You know dear, Constitution has given right to us. In front of Constitution, all citizens are equal. You already have taught inside the chapter 1. No one person could be discriminated on the basis of caste, gender, religion, birthplace, and our constitution also given the different right to against exploitation, right to life article number 21, right to life article 15 also. In article 15 it is given if anyone may be handicapped, so any government building should be constructed them inside their institutions. So different right given by our constitution here. But after that, such practice is going on. फिर भी बहुत सी जगह ऐसा इस टाइप के इवेंट देखने को मिलते हैं. तो इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर सोसाइटी. इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, if you want to come at the international level, तो such bad practices should be removed. ये सब चीजें हटनी चाहिए नेशन से. तो these are the introduction of this chapter, and we have discussed different story, different example of discrimination, and now I am giving the discrimination example from the rest of world also. And here, from rest of world there are lot of example where discrimination is. We can take the example of your Indian cricket team, where the discrimination held with the Harbhajan Singh. Many times when our team gone on Australian tour, so such stories you know very well about it. Latest example on England tour also, discrimination also held. Discrimination also inside the USA also. Discrimination held with the Barack Obama or different black citizens. So these are not good for our society. आज भी कितने तरह से कितने लोगों के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. और इस पे लॉज भी बने हुए हैं, बट आफ्टर दैट many citizens they broken the such laws, they violated the laws. So it's our duty here. We must be respect our constitution. We must be follow the whatever norms given by our constitution, because constitution is providing the guideline for us how to we our country smoothly run, how to we can form the government, how to we can elect the representative, and how this representative can make the laws for us. So we should be try to avoid the such incident. If any incident may be going on, so we should be try to avoid such incident. And through this year, we have discussed that these are the different examples of discrimination, and in next lecture we will discuss about Tawa menstruation, when a Tawa menstruation form, how the struggle has started, at final who is on contractor or citizen, and what are the different rights given our constitution, we will discuss here. So have a good day. We'll continue with the next lecture.